Dear students, please remember that whenever you come across the concept of prefix, you just remember that there is no algorithm for prefix. So whatever algorithm that lies for the postfix expression, you just reverse it and then make use of the existing algorithm. Right? We have seen the concept of how to convert the postfix to infix. So coming to prefix to infix, that means conversion of prefix to infix. You have nothing to do. As a first step, you have to reverse the given postfix expression and then you have to apply the algorithm of postfix to infix algorithm. But while making use of that algorithm, since you have reversed the given prefix expression, if you reverse the prefix expression, it is nothing but a postfix expression. If you reverse the postfix expression, it is a prefix expression, right? So since you have reversed the prefix expression, the result is nothing but a postfix expression. We know the algorithm to convert postfix to infix. So you apply the same thing. But remember that since you have reversed it, there is some change over here. In the previous algorithm, you have to pop twice whenever you come across the operator, and the first popped element is placed in operand 2. First popped element is equal to operand 2, and the second popped element is operand 1, right? But here the scene reverses. There is a reverse operation, that is the first popped element will be operand 1 only and the second popped element is operand 2 only. So the remaining thing remains as it is, that right? There's no problem, right? So this is the only point you have to remember, that the first popped element will become the operand 1 and the second popped element will become the operand, right? Now let us take the example. The first example that is given, the prefix that is given is plus A star B C, right? As a first step, you reverse the prefix expression. You reverse the prefix to get the postfix. Reversing means go from the right hand side. Same thing. It becomes C B star A plus. Now you apply the postfix to infix conversion algorithm, right? You take the stack. It is C and it is B, and you come across this star. So this expression becomes so this is C and this is B, right? So you pop the first element and place it in operand 1 but not operand 2 as that of the previous algorithm. So it becomes B and operand 2 becomes C and the operator is star. We apply the thing B, it becomes B star C, right? Let me take a bigger stack. So it becomes B star C, and then the next symbol is A, push it onto the stack. The next symbol is plus, pop twice and place the first element as operand 1, which is A, and the second element as operand 2, which is B star C. You make the operation, that is, this is plus, right? So it becomes A plus B star C. You make it into the parenthesis and again you push it onto the final result is it is A plus B star C, right? Since you have reached the end of the expression, the result that is present on the top of the stack will be the required infix expression, that is nothing but A plus B star C. For explanation point of view, it takes lot of time, but if you practice it, you can solve it within very less time, right? You can try the second example. First thing is you have to reverse it, that is it becomes EDC star by B A plus minus, right? So EDC will become, and for this it becomes C star D, and then after this becomes E, by E, and after that we have B and A. Above B and A we have plus, that is it becomes A plus B, and after that we have minus this one. So it took less than 1 minute for me to solve this example. The direct answer is given. So this is how we convert the given infix expression to prefix expression. That two important points you have to remember is the prefix expressions does not have any specific algorithms. You have to make use of the already existing postfix algorithms only with some different changes. And second important point that you have to remember is whenever you come across the prefix expressions, you remember that the first thing you have to do is you have to convert it into the postfix expression. How you convert the postfix expression means you simply reverse the given in prefix expression, then you get the postfix expression, and then you have to apply the postfix expressions algorithm, right? So